Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So now your chance. First of all, I offer my heartiest love to my beloved new flowers of Podium Garden. That really I feel proud and privileged that you are from different part of the Odisha and different part of India. You have chosen the school with a great hope that your confidence on ODM leads you to be a successful student and a good human being. That's why I first of all pray before Lord Ganesh to bless you all. Because without the blessings of Almighty, we can't do. So have faith on Almighty that who can give you the strength, who can give you the power for success. Because the moment you pass the class 10, your papa and mommy, you have long dream. Yes or no? Papa and mommy, they have long dream. That is, my son will be doctor, my son will be engineer, my son will be good human being, my son will be so and so. So, are you ready to fulfill their dreams? Yes. Jor se. Yes. Jor se. Yes. Thank you. So if you are ready to fulfill their dreams, then it is possible. Because a successful human being does not do the different things, but he does the things differently. He does the thing differently that you are. I hope that definitely you can do that. You can fulfill the dreams of your parents. The moment I feel that the aspirations of the parents, I all the time feel or bow down my head before your parents. So, in the absence of your parents, I pay all the regards to all the parents, the lovely mommy and the lovely papa of yours, those who have sent you to ODM with a great hope. Now, it's our time how we can fulfill their hope and desire. If we cannot fulfill their hope, we are the stupid son and daughter. Do you want to be the stupid son and daughter of your lovely papa and mommy? So all the time, all the day, you have to recall your papa and mommy's love. How much real? If you love really, then you have to recall. Have I done my duty properly? First question. What's my duties now? It is only study and study. To utilize your time properly, to extract the knowledge from the teachers. You see, the teachers are in front of you. They are the really the best teachers for you. And I pay my regards to all my teachers all the time. Those who have brought the ODM to this extent. So, as that Dr. Vikram Nayak told, students are coming, students are going, but how do you remember? That is called our relationship. The world's best relationship is not only the son and daughter of that, or papa and the mommy. The world's the best relationship is the student-teacher relationship. How much we are able to keep it, that depends upon us. Because Papa is the Papa and Mommy, they are the first teacher. But here at home, but here at the school, your teacher is the first teacher now. That is where you can learn. So anyway, how many of you want to be successful good human being? I don't want to ask you that is how many want to be the successful doctor or engineer. I want to ask you a good successful human being. Please raise your hand. So everybody wants to be the good human being. That is the very good. Give a big clap to all. That is very good. Be a good human being. Have you thought of? Have you thought of? Can you share with me? Yes? Who can share? Please.
In my opinion, in order to be a good human being, the first and foremost in our life is discipline. After which we need to respect all our elders, our teachers, and whoever gives us a bit of small teaching also is our teacher, and we should have that sense of respect for them. Secondly, we should have love and affection towards all the people living in this world, not only our neighbors or not only our relatives to whom we know, but each and every people is special. So we should have that sense of love and respect for them. And be good, make others good, the motto of ODM. And also, discipline is the main key of success.
Very good, give a big clap. Thank you. So any other that you can say that is what is the part for the success? Yes,
Of course, very good afternoon to one and all present over here. As one of my friends said that how one can be successful from human being. I also want to share that first of all, one should be truthful to oneself and should be truthful in their life. And things or rules of life they should follow. That to be punctual, to be regular, and to be disciplined mainly. Because every successful man in the present world is mainly disciplined person. And discipline is the only thing that can make you successful. Not only in your life, but you can be others. And also one thing we should follow is that always when we see a knowledgeous person, it is not that they always keep on speaking. It is a silence that speaks about their knowledge. We should talk less and we should have a listening mind that should first think and then speak to others. And we should always respect everyone, that should be our elders or youngers. We should first listen to them, try to understand what they are speaking, and then we should answer to them. And secondly, the thing is that respect to our parents and our teachers in all spheres can make us a successful human being. Because our success not only lies to be a doctor, engineer in a professional sphere.
Absolutely.
but also to be a perfect human being, we should be perfect in our social life, with our neighbors, with our teachers, parents, everyone we come across in our life. And with that, I want to wind up what I am speaking. Thank you.
Yeah. What is your good name?
Sanskrit Parekha,
From which school?
St. James Jajpur.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank
That's
you.
it. He may be 6.2 or that is a 5.8. Definitely will say, I want to be the doctor. I want to be the IAS officer. This is called dreaming. Yes, you can be. Immaterial. Percentage is immaterial. You can be if you can change your attitude. You can know the only 5 things. How many of you have remembered the first 5 letters of English alphabets? Have you remembered? I think you have not remembered. Who can then who has remembered? Who can please raise your hand? Who has remembered the 5 letters? What it says? What are the 5 letters, Mama? Yes. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. What you had learned from a nursery that that is you entered into the first, that is at the age of 2.5 or 3 years. Okay, right? But that 5 letters, if you have remembered rightly, that changes your life. That 5 letters not the never taught, that is only teaches you the alpha, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, okay, E for elephant. But that 5 letters we should remember in other way, that is called A for attitude. Positive attitude all the time. Yes, I can, I will, I must. I can do. Nothing is impossible for me if that is my determination or that I can do. Yes or no? Please remember this first letter. What is the second letter? B. What is it? Behavior or anything? Okay, B for? Yes, goal. Okay. Every, okay. Good. That is the stop whenever that every man has. One is body and another is mind. That is body and mind. Okay, right? Just to beautify your body, what you are doing? You are putting good dresses, lot of costly dresses. You are putting ties, coat and everything, just to beautify your ornaments. Okay? So just to beautify your mind, that is the beautification of a mind. That is called thought process. Beautification of a mind is that the B stands for beautification of mind. All these things, I should be brave, I should be good, that my behavior should be all the time perfect. Yes or no? So that is called the beautification of a mind. That C stands for courage or confidence or commitment. There are 5 C's, but the most important is a commitment. It is a commitment and confidence. Yes, I can do. I will try my best level. Nothing is impossible. I should forget whether I have secured the 9.8 CGP or 9.2 CGP or that is 7.8 CGP. Whatever. But now I can do better. It's a challenge for me. Yes or no? So somebody feels, oh, I have secured 10 CGPA. Do you know I have secured 10 CGPA, but that guy also fails in the plus 2. Not only once, 2 times he fails. How he fails? Because due to lack of confidence or the overconfidence or the commitment or further. Yes or no? So, doesn't matter what you have secured, that the confidence and the commitment you have put. Then D, deeper discipline. That is the most important aspect of a life. I should be disciplined. All the aspect of a life. I should be disciplined in the class. I should be disciplined in the hostel. I should be disciplined in the personal life. I should be disciplined all the way of life. Please remember. So, then E. What is that?
Efficiency.
Excellency, okay? Good? Anyone? Okay, right? E stands for the empathy, the values of life. Empathy or the values of life, that means you do not understand the values of your life is meaningless. You do not have the goal. If you do not have the destination, you are having the aimless life. Okay, right? So, if I want to be a good human being, I should believe certain values, believe certain empathy of my own life. Okay, right? So, thank you, because already Dr. Sahu has told about the school discipline. Then now has told about the school system. Now the Vice Principal will come about say the examination and the pattern, and the teachers already they have given some information. But one thing, why all people are giving all these reading the Bhagavatas before you? If you do not listen this Bhagavad is always meaningless. So point is, please listen, this is the right time to change your mind, change your attitude, change your values of life. As you sow, shall you reap? That is the saying. You know it? Suppose one child is not able to secure the 8 point, that is a 10 CGPA. Why? Because he has neglected. He has neglected his study. But the same class, same teacher, if out of 100, if the 40 students are securing the CGPA 10, but there are some students that are getting 10. What the difference? This is called value, that they do not understand the values of life. What I should do, what I should not do. Yes or no? So today you do one thing, just you go and prepare your roadmap of the life. What is my aim of life? You write in the 3 sentences that what is the aim of life, how to achieve it. What is my short-term goal? What is my mid-term goal? What is my long-term goal? First of all, you today go and set your goal. Short-term goal is the plus 2. What I do in my plus 2 result. That is called 2 years goal. I want to be the doctor. I want to fulfill the aims of my papa and the mommy. Then I have to do the hard labor. You see, once today I am saying, I have interviewed all the parents. I know they are so honest, they are so good, and they are not the Tata Birla son. They are the middleman like yours. That is, whatever the hard earning they had, they have given to you. If you ask to Papa, how many money that is amount to the use your account? Nothing. Hardly one can say for the 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. But your Papa is spending for you. Every day you have to count what money my Papa has spent for me, whether am I giving justice to them or not. Then you can get your answer yourself. If you love your Papa, Mummy really, you have to pay to them. If you do not love, don't pay to them. Let them go to him. So, please, you do one thing. First, everybody, I know that you love your Papa, Mummy more than your God. So first you believe to them, I should pay you what you have paid to me. Yes or no? Papa, Mummy never wants, you will get back their money to them. They are not the money lender for you. They want that my son will be good human being and the success, they want the success of your life. So, please recall it, set your goals, what to do, what not to do. How many hours I will utilize for my study? How many hours I have destroyed today before sleeping or before going to bed? You calculate yourself. Have I utilized my time properly? Have I utilized my Papa's Mommy properly? Have I done my duties properly? The 3 questions you ask yourself, then you can get the answer. Okay, right? So, can you do it? Can you do it? Yes. Can you do it? Yes. Okay. So then if you can do it, I will be the happiest person in the world. Because the moment your Papa and Mommy will be happy, I will be happy. All the teachers will be happy. They want this much. You cannot pay anything to a teacher. The teachers are running behind you. Teachers are scolding you. Teachers are running after you. Only that is for your success gives the pleasure to them. Your success is a pleasure to them. Please remember, nothing. So, please remember the last thing. Life is an ego. Don't forget, as you pay for it, the return you can't get. Okay? So, I think I should stop it. Because your time will be there. So, a lot of things and time will be. Okay, thank you all. Wish you all the best.